In this tutorial, we'll show you how to correctly apply opaque white on transparent labels using Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new color swatch. To do this, call up the Color Control panel. Assign the displayed color values in the list function. Then, select the option Create New Color Swatch. Name the color swatch HPI White. Change the color type to spot color. The spot color you just created is now listed in the Color Swatches panel. Now create the layers Print Layer, Opaque White and Die Cutter. The layers are for your convenience only and have no direct influence on the assignment of a color. It is important that the opaque white elements are created over the other printing colors. Call up the Layer Control panel. To create more layers, click on Create New Layer. Change the layer name by double-clicking on the respective layer. Enter the name and confirm with OK. Now place the individual elements on the correct layer. Select the object with the selection tool. A small square is now displayed to the right of the layer. Drag it to the desired layer. Repeat these steps until all elements are placed on the correct layer. When printing on a transparent material, there are two reasons to create the color opaque white, called HPI white. The first reason is to print white, non-transparent elements. The second reason, some colored elements, like text or images, should be opaque. In this case, the opaque white is printed first and the colored area above it. Let's create the white elements first. To do this, select the elements that should be printed white with the selection tool. Assign the spot color HPI white from the color panel. Make sure that the elements are on the opaque white layer. The second step is to select the colored elements that will become opaque when printed with opaque white. To do this, select the elements you would like to have printed opaque with the selection tool. Copy them with the key combination of Command and C, or if you're using Windows, Control C. Select the opaque white layer and paste the copied elements to the original position on the opaque white layer with the key combination Command F, or in Windows, Control F. Colorize the pasted elements with the HPI white spot color on the Color Panel Control panel. It is important that these elements are set to overprint, otherwise the color underneath will not be printed. To do this, select the elements with the selection tool and set them to overprint area or overprint outline using the Attributes panel. Repeat these steps until all elements are created with opaque white. To check the settings, look at the color separations using the color separation preview.